The law of attraction suggests that if you concentrate on something you really want, it'll eventually be yours. According to the law of attraction, if you focus on something that your heart really wants, you can harness the energy of the universe and will it into your life. Even though applying the law of attraction to your life is simple, at least in concept, a lot of people still have a difficult time with it. The mind is a very powerful thing, but to properly utilize the power of the law of attraction, you've got to believe in it wholeheartedly. It's not something you can fake. Today, we're going to share with you 5 things that can stop you from manifesting the things you want. Number 1, you don't believe. When it comes to the law of attraction, the most important thing you have to do is believe. If you approach this universal science with a skeptic mind, you won't be able to get the results you want. The law of attraction is similar to the use of affirmations, in that you can repeat to yourself how amazing you are, but it won't amount to anything if you don't truly believe in what you're saying. Number 2, you're impatient. When you really want something, it can be hard to wait patiently for it. Still, the law of attraction requires you to have the ability to defer gratification before it can manifest your desires. While you may not get what you want right away, in time, the universe will answer your prayers. Number 3, you're self-undermining. Whenever you're trying to manifest something into your life, you have to believe you're worthy of it. If you don't think you're deserving of something, the universe may not give it to you. Self-doubt will undermine the energy that you put out into the world. Instead, focus on your heart's desire and know that you're deserving of your dreams. Whenever you start to have doubts, you can practice affirmations to get yourself into a positive mindset. Repeating powerful affirmations on a daily basis and training your mind to believe will help stop negative energy from seeping into your life. Number 4, you always listen to the opinions of others. A lot of the things we appreciate today would never have come into existence if the ones who created them always listened to what other people had to say. Even though most of the people in your life may have your best interests at heart, they might tell you that you can't do something because it's not something they can see themselves doing. This isn't to say you should completely ignore any input from your loved ones. However, believing in yourself is one of the most powerful things you can do. Number 5, you don't see the signs. The universe works in mysterious ways, so sometimes, it may seem like the law of attraction isn't working for you. However, it may be giving you exactly what you need. It could be that you're hoping to get a pay rise at work, but instead of being offered one by your current employer, you are approached by someone else who sees your value. Sure, this isn't initially what you had in mind. You might find that a change like this is exactly what you needed. Now that you know what to look for when trying to manifest the life you want, you can start making a positive change today. For more videos like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for weekly content from trusted psychics.